So my friend and I were out for a drive around Santa Cruz, and mind you, I've been living here for a long time, and it's a beautiful place. Although expensive and a bit crowded, it's still a beautiful place. But we stumbled upon this property that I didn't even know was here. Apparently, my friend Shelley knew about it and had seen it once before. And it's a historic property that was restored after being purchased by someone else. It was restored, and I had never seen it before. And if you knew anything about property value here in Santa Cruz, this place has got to be worth millions just by the property alone. But it looks like they restored it, and it must be worth billions now. And I didn't even know. It's one of our little hidden treasures here in Santa Cruz. So if you're ever visiting, be sure to come by this address and check it out. I will leave information below in the comments about the history and what I can find about it. So I hope you enjoy it, and keep an eye out for other little treasures that Santa Cruz has. This is our beautiful ocean. Enjoy.